lightning cash here at the Peppermill. That major is still maxed out. Either that or someone won it between my last live stream and it just maxed out again. Who knows? We'll start out with dimes. See if we can get lucky really fast. Let's get the sound up. Yeah, I put in, over $700 because I got lucky on a game. Ooh, that was a nice ball there. Nice poker chip. I played a game when I first got here and got lucky. Of course, I don't want to give it all to lightning cash. Come on, lightning cash, show us what you got. No complaints, it's great. The game is growing on me because it gave me such a wonderful win last week. Of course, I was in quarters. Maybe I should switch to quarters. Here, let's see what happens if I switch to quarters. We'll try it. Ooh, look what someone did on quarters. Nice. Yeah, good. A few spins in quarters. Why not? Maybe it's hot on quarters. One. Oh, come on, come on, come on. Oh, darn it. 5 of them. Don't tease me. 3 gold briefcases, not 2. 6 poker chips, not 5. Somebody get a hand pay. I hear that lovely music. The lovely hand pay music. Come on, one more. Oh, we got it. I saw one up there and I didn't think I was going to get it. Well, let's hope we land a big poker chip. We're on quarters, so I hope this is a good one. Oops, poker chip went by. Oh, 2 poker chips went by. No more dead spins. Come on, poker chip. Well, we had a win at least, as long as it's not a dead spin, right? Darn it. Okay, last spin. Can we get a poker chip? Okay, but at least it wasn't a dead spin, so I'm happy. Alrighty. That was like $260 because it's quarters. We put in 700. We're up so far. Let's see if we can get a hold and spin. Give it a few more spins at least. Liked that $1,000 poker chip. Oh. Come on, one more. Oh, yes, we got the bonus again. That's great. Maybe this time. Maybe this time we can get the whole spin. That's nice. I like that one. Yes. That's a great one. Ooh, wow, that paid more than I thought it was going to. Great. Keep that up. Last spin. Oh, did you see that miner go by? Oh my gosh, we had a poker chip that was the miner. I was sad to see that one go by. However, we've got like 600 and some here. Thank you. So I put in 700 and I've doubled my money, which at 700 is pretty good, 1400. Can we get one more bonus or the poker chips? I don't usually see poker chips with words in that particular bonus. Would have been really cool if it had landed. Oh, come on. 3 would have been nice. Oh, there it is. A spin too late. I don't want to give back too much of my winnings, but you know, it could have one more bonus in it. Oh, look at that. Darn it. Getting some teases with those home spins. We got a bonus. We've already got like $300 there. Maybe that miner will come back and this time it'll land. Oh, that's a nice one. Thank you. Keep those chips coming. Uh-oh, don't quit. Come on, poker chip. Okay, still nice. That's 2 bonuses and a home spin feature. Lovely. Okay, we've got 1,600 there. I put in 700. And we're just gonna, we're gonna play it a little bit longer. Oh. It's been so active, I gotta give it another shot. Oh my gosh, another bonus, guys. You gotta love a game when it's active like this. Oh darn, I was hoping for a poker chip. Alrighty, that one wasn't too good. But still, it was a bonus. Let's see if we can get some more. You get enough of them, even if they don't have poker chips, it adds up. Oh wow, we've got $1,000 one in there for $250. Oh my gosh, 27. Oh wow, this is good. There's what? 250. We got at least 750 there. Wow, could this be another hand pay? Let's find out. See how many more chips we get. Oh, I saw the miner fly by. I see some awful big poker chips. I hope another one lands. Come on, poker chip. Thank you. Oh, it might stop, but boy, this is a good one regardless. One more, one more, one more, one more. Oh, we saw such big numbers too. This is good. We didn't get a hand pay this time though. But we're pretty close. Okay, that was great. That's our best one so far. Wow, I'm loving this. Okay, so put a 700 in. Look where my ticket is. And yeah, I gotta play it a little more. When it's this active, you gotta keep trying without giving too much money back. Oh, look. That was it for bonuses. Let's jump ahead and see where I cash out. Orders are being really good. We're going to cash out at $2,000. I put $700 in. It was fun. That was a fun session, but I'll be back because that maxed out major is still tempting me. Probably do it in the live stream tonight. Good luck, guys.